Introducing Bluebox, the all-in-one self-driving computer with your back on and off the road. This amazing device has some serious features that secure you and your car. First, its dashcam system has 5 cameras that provide a full 360-degree view, so you'll always have peace of mind when you're on the road. Plus, its onboard diagnostics can be accessed from your phone, making it super convenient to monitor your car's health. And when it comes to keeping track of all those miles you're putting on your car, Bluebox's mileage tracker makes tax time a breeze. Just imagine no more scribbling down your mileage on a notepad. But wait, there's more. The interior and exterior cameras provide all the evidence you need in case of a collision or other incidents, so you're always protected and prepared. With Bluebox's Blue Mechanic, you can easily identify issues with your car, set automatic maintenance reminders, and even turn your phone into an OBD scanner. It's like having a personal mechanic in your pocket. And speaking of taxes, Bluebox's Mile Saver feature tracks both on-trip and off-trip mileage to help increase your tax-deductible mileage. That's more money back in your pocket. Finally, Bluebox's 360-degree camera and built-in speaker will alert you to hit and runs, vandalism, and theft. And recorded footage can be streamed over LTE or 4G and even 5G in case you need to provide evidence. Here's Booster Safe, the smart solution for keeping your valuables safe while on the go. This clever backseat car safe is made of solid steel and securely locks to your backseat, blending in seamlessly as a booster seat. Designed by Skylar Baird, Boosted Safe is the perfect way to keep your essential items out of sight and out of mind, whether you're running errands, taking a road trip, or just heading to work. No more worrying about leaving your valuables in plain sight because Boosted Safe has your back. The Boosted Safe packs a punch in terms of security. Weighing in at just 15 pounds, this powder-coated 16-gauge steel device is built to last and features internal foam padding to keep your delicate items in place. Its 3-digit combination lock adds an extra layer of protection, utilizing a 2-bolt linkage, measuring 16 inches long by 13¼ inches wide by 4.35 inches thick. The Boosted Safe is the perfect size to store valuables such as laptops, cameras, smartphones, or your wallets. And installing the safe is just so simple. Just place your valuables inside, place it on the back seat of your car, and secure it using the 2 steel latching mechanisms that clamp onto the car's existing ISOFIX connection points. These ISOFIX connection points are basically the ones that you use to put in your child's car seat. Once everything is locked up, the only way to release the latches is to unlock and open the safe. Now, the Eufy H20 is a game changer for car cleaning. Its cordless design and compact size makes it incredibly easy to clean every nook and cranny of your car with a 40 ampere watt strong suction power that'll tackle messes in one swift go. Now, the best part, it can be recharged in just an hour, giving you 30 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning time. It has car-specific attachments like a built-in retractable tool, an extension hose, and a brush head, making it even more versatile. With a lightweight design of only 1.44 pounds, you can easily maneuver it around your car. Plus, the built-in LED light will help you find every speck of dirt and dust so you can leave your car spotless. Now, the Dometic Refrigerators are a popular choice for RV and boat enthusiasts, as well as for those in need of a small refrigerating solution for off-grid living. Now, they offer a range of products with features such as energy efficient and quiet operations. It has built-in or freestanding options. It's available in various sizes to fit different needs. It has AC or DC and gas options for versatility in off-grid and on-grid use. It has automatic energy selection and temperature control for convenience and efficiency. Now, Dometic Refrigerators offer compact and portable solutions for keeping food and drinks cool or warm while you're on the road. They can be plugged into a cigarette lighter socket and are equipped with a thermoelectric technology for cooling and heating. They are also designed to be easily secured in place using a seat belt for passenger safety and security of contents. Say goodbye to stress on the road. The EXITOOL is your trustworthy companion for every driving adventure. Newly redesigned by Russ Comer for even more compact and covertness, this compact knife is the ultimate emergency tool for drivers. With its sleek and lightweight design, the EXITOOL can be attached to your seatbelt, ready for action at a moment's notice. Its blade, made from tough 420J2 steel with a satin finish and plain edge with a thickness of 0.02 inches, is ready to tackle any situation that comes your way. Whether you need to cut a seatbelt in an emergency, open boxes, or cut through ropes or cords, the EXITOOL has got you covered. The ergonomic POM handle provides a comfortable grip, ensuring precise cuts every single time. So the next time you hit the road, don't forget to bring your trusty EXITOOL. With this clever tool, you'll be ready for whatever the road throws at you. Say hello to the fantastic Fanttik X8 ApexPortable Tire Inflator, your new best friend on the road. This compact and portable device is designed to take the stress out of tire maintenance and make sure you're always rolling with the perfect pressure. With its powerful motor, inflating your tires has never been easier or quicker. Now the digital display shows you exactly what's going on, so you can get the pressure just right. No more guessing or fumbling with analog gauges. The X8 Apex makes tire maintenance a breeze. And the best part, this little guy is so lightweight and portable, you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're on a long road trip or just need to inflate a tire in a pinch, the Fanttik X8 Apex is always there for you. So ditch the bulky and complicated tire inflators of the past and embrace the future with the Fanttik X8 ApexPortable Tire Inflator. Say goodbye to cluttered cars and hello to a tidy, organized car with the Astro Ai bin. Now this compact and foldable car trash can is the perfect solution for keeping your car clean and tidy, no matter how messy your travels may be. Not only is it a stylish and effective way to dispose of trash, but the Astro Ai bin is also designed to be multi-purpose. With its 3 mesh pockets, it doubles as a convenient car storage bag to help you keep small items organized and within reach. The Astro Ai bin is also built to last with its superior sturdy design and waterproof construction. Now this car trash bin is durable and leak-proof, made of 600D Oxford polyester and featuring a waterproof lining. And with its spacious 3.2-gallon capacity and Velcro sealed lid, you can enjoy a journey without worrying about odors or spills. Whether traveling in a car, a truck, a minivan, or camper, the Astro Ai bin is the perfect solution for keeping your car clean and tidy. So why wait? Buy with confidence. Experience the difference for yourself. The Streambox is a must-have for car and home entertainment. Need help with limited entertainment options in your car? Streambox has got you covered with its powerful 8-core processor, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of storage. It runs on the latest Android 9.0 OS and supports CarPlay and Android Auto and MirrorLink, giving you access to your favorite apps and entertainment while on the go. But that's not all. The Streambox also doubles as a 6K HDMI TV box, providing stunning visuals and audio for all your home entertainment needs. With its built-in 4G LTE and 3G antenna, GPS, dual Bluetooth, this mini PC has everything you need to stay connected and entertained, no matter wherever you are. So why wait again? Get the Streambox today and experience the ultimate in-car and home entertainment. Hey there, tired of worrying about your car getting dinged and scratched by hail or other harsh weather conditions? Say hello to the Inflatable Car Protector, your new BFF for safeguarding your ride. The Inflatable Car Protector is perfect for all car owners, especially those in harsh weather areas. With its ease of setup and portability, you can keep your car protected no matter where you park it. The integrated app lets you inflate the protector remotely and receive hail alerts. Available in different sizes, this cover fits a wide range of car types and provides complete protection from hail and other elements. Made from heat-resistant materials and coated with silver for UV radiation protection, this cover also keeps your car cool with 3 power source options, a AA battery, a car accessory plug, and an AC adapter. You can inflate it on the go and enjoy your peace of mind. Keep your car looking like new, no matter the weather, with the Inflatable Car Protector. Are you looking for a dash cam that doesn't miss a beat, even in the dark? Then look no further than the Vast M1 Starlight Level Night Vision Camera. The Vast M1 is not your average dash cam. Its advanced tech and innovative features deliver exceptional performance, even in low light conditions. The f1.0 aperture and 7 glass lenses gather more light, resulting in brighter, clearer, and more detailed images. Now, the Sony CMOS sensor paired with an exclusive algorithm helps to optimize the brightness and color of images, even in conditions as dark as starlight. With the 8-inch IPS screen, you'll see the road conditions in real time and with no lag. The 75-degree night vision view angle gives you a wider field of view, helping you see more of what's ahead. And the Vast M1's ability to capture images up to 300 meters away means you'll have a much further view than your headlights, giving you extra time to react and avoid any potential accidents. So whether you're driving in the middle of the night or in poor weather condition, the Vast M1's got you covered. Invest in this top-of-the-line dash cam today and enjoy your peace of mind while you're on the road. If you think that you know of any more cool gadgets, then let us know in the comment section below and we'll surely add into our next video. See you next time.